how to restrict other apps from consuming your Psiphon data. Psiphon app provides you free 22 MBs to use a day. It resets at midnight. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and restrict other apps from consuming that data. I think this is best for those who use WhatsApp and Telegram only. So this is best for chats. Let's get in the video. So first of all, you need Psiphon app. I'm going to put the link in the description so that you can go and download. So the second thing, we need HTTP custom APK, which is this one, available in the Play Store. So click and open the app. Then specifically we are going to logs. Click on log on HTTP custom app. So I'm going to clear my logs here. Now we want to search the correct IP. For this case, just click airplane mode on and off. For this, I'm going to search a new IP address which will work for free. Now look at an IP for between 10.60 or 101 and above. After search the correct IP address, let's go to Psiphon app. While here, click here to choose a server. For this case, I'm going to choose Germany. This is my best and favorite server. And scroll down and click here VPN settings, all turn all apps. After click here, specifically I'm going to choose option 2. This one here. Leave the first one, then click the second one, which is tunneling one app only. So after here, we are going to search apps that will use our data. So click select apps. For this case, I was using 3 apps. After click here, after it loads, choose your favorite apps or only one app which will help you to connect or use Psiphon apps. In this case, I'm going to use WhatsApp and then Telegram. I'm going to use these MBs for only specifically for chats to save these MBs. So after you finish, just click on this arrow to go back. After you come back, you're gonna specifically click on start. After you click here start, then go and click logs here to see the process on how your config is connecting. Now be patient while it's connecting. Don't be in a hurry because it needs to search your device IP address. Now you have to be patient. Just be patient and it will work for you if you have the correct IP address. I told you 10.60 and above or 101 and so. Now it is connected, guys. It is connected. After connected, it will open Chrome browser automatically. Don't need to recharge or buy data bundles for it to connect. It just connects automatically when you have the correct IP address. So if you're not subscribed for my video, subscribe for more tips like this. For those who use WhatsApp and Telegram, that's the tip. Stay connected the whole day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.